Namaste Gurukulian, I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. Or please don't be loose, apply all the precautionary measures for the safety of your family and yourself also. Don't think that COVID-19 nothing, it is a normal cough and cold. All the preventive measures seriously you have to apply. You are going outside without mask, don't go outside. Sanitize your hands properly after some time. When you go outside or touch anything, then again you have to wash your hands. Or the must or important thing is social distancing. Okay, all these three things. So physical education chapter 6, test and measurement in sports, it is part 3rd. In this chapter we will do motor ability test. What is motor ability test? We know we have some motor fitness components like strength, endurance, whatever it is. Okay, one we can say coach or a person was there named Harold Barrow. The name Dr. Harold M. Barrow. Dr. Harold M. Barrow. Dr. Harold M. Barrow given a test in 1953. Okay, a test he given in 1953, which is known as the Barrow motor ability test. Okay, or one more name according to the item. Barrow 3-item motor ability test. Okay, 3 items we will discuss. Even he given lots of tests, many tests he given, but 3-item test we will discuss in this topic. One more thing, when we are going to conduct a test, their age, sex, muscle tissue, health, some components we always keep in our mind, then we will conduct a test. Age, sex, muscle tissue and health. So 3 items, Barrow fitness test. Dear student, first one is standing broad jump. Same. Standing broad jump. Same procedure. From here jump, or what is the distance a individual will cover, that we will measure or record. That is known as the standing broad jump. But in standing broad jump, what is the motor ability? That is the legs, or we can say thigh strength. It doesn't mean that only thighs are working. During the broad jump, only thighs muscles are involving. Abdominal also work, arm swing also works. Okay, many other helping muscle, even the full all the muscles of the body will work, but some are involving in the major, and some play a major role in the activity, or some are the helping muscle in the activity. So broad jump individual will do or record, that a coach will measure the distance. But in this, what is the important? In motor fitness test, only broad jump they will do, or we will measure the distance. But in motor ability test, Okay, motor ability test, a individual will jump or coach or teacher will measure the distance. Then we have a chart. Suppose three category they will do: excellent, good, average or below average. Okay. So like this, it is an example only, like above 2 meter is excellent, 180 to 2 meter good. Okay, 180 meter average or below 180 is below average. 180 means 1 meter 80 centimeter to 2 meter 180 centimeter. Yeah, here we can say 160 to 180 meter is average, or below 160 is below average. Okay, these type of chart will be given in your book, you will check. Okay, a athlete will jump, teacher or coach will record his distance, then he will check where he is standing. Suppose a individual do 2.30 2 meter 30 meter, then we will keep him in excellent, means above 2 meter or above 2 meter is in excellent, means his muscular strength of the legs is excellent. Okay, like this we will measure. First one is standing broad jump. Second one is zigzag running. Zigzag run. In zigzag run, a area we have. Okay, in zigzag run what we will do, a area we will measure. It is 16 feet or it is 10 feet. The distance of this point to this point is 10 feet, or from this point to this point is 16 feet. Then we will keep 5 cones. Okay, 5 cones. In this, coach will stand here or here. Anyone, we can say a starting point from here. Suppose from here we will start. Okay, yeah, here we will start. A individual will start from here, then he will go from here, from here, from here, from here, and then complete the race. Okay, from here to here complete the race, means यहाँ से start किया, इस कोण के ऊपर से होते हुए यूं, फिर उस कोण के ऊपर से होते हुए यूं, फिर उसके ऊपर से आते हुए वापस इसी कोण के ऊपर से आते हुए उस कोण के ऊपर से क्रॉस कर जाना है. When a athlete will reach over here, when he finish this line, when he we can say cross this cone, then a coach or teacher will stop the timing in stopwatch, or we will measure his timing. That is a zigzag run. Zigzag run is for what? We can say it is for the speed plus agility. Okay, sudden move. Okay, it is zigzag run. Timing we will discuss, timing we will record, or then we will check in the chart, in chart where he is standing. Okay, timing wise. Third one, dear student, given medicine ball put. Medicine ball put, or we can say medicine ball throw. In this we are using a medicine ball of 2.7 kg, 3 kg or 1 kg. Okay. Okay, 2.7 kg or 3 kg is for the boys. 2.7 is average one given, but 3 kg also can be used, or 1 kg for the girls. Same procedure we will follow. A area we will discuss, or a line we will measure. We will apply a line. We mark a line or circle like a shot put. but line we will circle. Or here a distance like 70 to 90 feet. 90 feet we will this area is required 70 to 90 feet or more than 90. Student will come, or boy or girl will stand here, then they will carry a medicine ball here in his hand like this, like a shot put. Shot put having a specific skill to handling the shot or to throw the Perry O'Brien style or gliding style. Okay, in this student will come here, player individual will come here, then he will carry the ball or then he will throw the ball in the particular area. Like suppose this area is given for the throwing the ball, or we can say this. Okay, he will throw the ball where the ball will land. Suppose जहाँ भी ball land करेगी, it will create a pit. We can say a slight pit. Then the last point of the pit we will measure from here to there. What is the distance a individual cover, that we will record, or that we will keep in the chart where the individual is standing in the medicine ball throw. One another, it is for the shoulder stand. One another method is also there. Sit on the ground, apart your legs, or from here like this, like a chest pass of basketball, like this also we can throw the ball. But we will do this one because in your book it is given. So it is for the shoulder strength, it is for the agility plus speed, standing broad jump for the muscular strength of the legs or thigh. So here our motor ability test, or we can say general motor ability test, is completed, which is given by the Harold M. Barrow in 1953. Okay, these dates also you have to remember. Whenever you see the video, one thing you have to do, at first check the video, how much we cover, then you have to read the book, or in your book you have to highlight the important things. This thing in your this thing you have to do, or when exam will come, then we have to have less material to read. Important things we have to read. Okay, so for this video this much. We will see you in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Thank you.